Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have my Macy's beauty box here. This arrived the other day. Just haven't been filming the last couple days. I have re-injured my ankle, so it's difficult. I've just been trying just to lay around and relax and not do anything crazy. Filming, got to make sure everything is just right and move around too much, and it's a little difficult. So this is a monthly beauty box. You sign up on Macys.com. It's $15 a month. There is tax. I think I pay $15.90 a month. You do get smaller sizes, some, usually samples. Sometimes we get bonuses. I mean, overall, I think this is a fairly decent box. Here, you get a little card. The theme is Ageless Aces by Elizabeth Arden. So I guess the whole box is Elizabeth Arden. And then you do get like a 5 off or 10 off on future purchases. And I do use them most times than not. Looks like we have some items from Elizabeth Arden. It always comes wrapped up nicely in the tissue. This one is super duper packaged. Let's see. Get all this stuff out of the way. Okay, so save that for last because I have a feeling I know that. Oh, there's lots of stuff in this one. Let me separate them all into some of these are a little messed up, so I'm just fixing them real fast. There's two. Oops. Yeah. So it looks like this is all Elizabeth Arden, which I'm not mad at. This you can get online, Macy's, obviously. Wow, a lot of these are all messed up here. Let me just try to fix them real fast. Presentation is a lot. Okay, so we'll do the first one. And this is their Elizabeth Arden's new Retinol plus HPR Ceramide Capsules. Rapid Skin Renewing Serum. And then you get it in a little, like a little tube right here. So how many are in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 7 of them. Well, that's a week's worth if you want to, try them out. That's nice. Here we have Provage. What is this? What does this say on the front? Let me show it to you first. Right here. And here is the tube. I'm just going to see what this says on the front. Multi-restorative soft cream. So like a moisturizer type thing. And then the tube is there. So you get a decent, to try it out. Next is their 8-hour Hydroplay Skin Perfecting Daily Moisturizer. And then here's the tube. So far, I'm not angry. So now this is their new Retinol plus HPR Ceramide Rapid Skin Renewing Water Cream. The other ones are the capsules. What is the HPR? That would help if I knew that. I don't know what that is. I don't know what HPR is. Oh, I just don't want to stay. I don't know if I can tell you what that is. What is it? I don't know. I don't know what that stands for. Retinol plus HPR. What does HPR stand for? Made in Spain, Elizabeth Arden. Is that all of these made in Spain? Let me just look. Yeah, made in Spain. Okay, I didn't realize that. And then here we have Provage again. Did we get 2 of these? One is, so the other one was a soft cream, and this is a daily serum. So moisturizer and then a serum. So there's all of those. Oops, they're falling out. Those right there. Trying to. And then we have this. And this should be, is this like the gua sha? Yeah. I might keep this one because this one's metal. I've given away some of like the silicone or rubberized ones. These are really good when you put skincare on. If you're ever like puffy, or even just put, or not. You put your skincare on and then you just up, just roll, use this side right here, and it contours to your, to your face, and just, it will help, always upward, neck, you can do your forehead, but this one's nice. This is nice and heavy, so I might keep this one. So I have used them in the past. I get lazy like everybody else. I'm just put it on. But if you just take an extra couple minutes to do that, that is super nice to have. So that is everything that you got in your box. So it did show it right there. And this is the gua sha massage tool that we got. I don't know if I said that before. Outward gliding motion. So it's, up, up, up. I don't agree with taking the neck down, but I guess maybe that helps if you're trying to depuff. But everything is always up and out and all that good stuff. But it gives you all the, the things. So not a bad box. I mean, I don't mind Elizabeth Arden. I always associated, when I was younger, Elizabeth Arden for older people. Well, I'm not 20 anymore. And I honestly wouldn't purchase Elizabeth Arden. If I was in a store setting, I would be more prone to look at like Benefit and Urban Decay, like the more brands that we're used to, but not bad. I mean, I have received, like free gifts and things like that, Elizabeth Arden, and they're always very nice. It's not that they're not nice, but I'm excited to give some of these a try. I might share a couple and see what I think. Let me know if you get the Macy's Beauty Box. What did you think? Some months are going to be better than others. That's with any box that you get when you get it every single month. This is not bad, because at least they're decent tubes where you can get a couple uses out of it. Do you even like it? I mean, certain things I have to be careful with because I have sensitive skin. Like, I couldn't try those 2 tops on from Stitch Fix because I knew, try them on, the few minutes that it's on and take it off, I would be itchy because there's something about that material that just itches my skin. I'm not even going to do it. I mean, I used to still try them on and then I would be itchy, itchy, itchy. I just refuse to do it anymore. It's ridiculous. And Oreo was laying right this way, just like laying there half asleep, staring at me, like wagging her tail, like, what are you doing? So let me know your thoughts on this one. Like I said, not bad. Is it their best? No. Is it their worst? No. I've seen worse in the past. Lately, Macy's is pretty good. So let me know if you get this one and your thoughts on what I received. And I appreciate all you watching. Have a wonderful day. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.